Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Check Android version and update Google Play services so APIs match Google's servers. Once done, make sure device time and date are exact. An incorrect clock often breaks token validation. Next, switch airplane mode on and off to renew network routes. Finally, go to Settings, open Apps for Google Play services and Google Account Manager, and clear cache. If the error persists, clear data to force a fresh auth handshake. Next, focus on account tokens and app state. Remove the troublesome Google account and add it again so Android requests new OAuth tokens. This fixes stale credentials. If a specific app throws the error, update or reinstall it to ensure compatibility with current services. Also, inspect app permissions and allow background data. Without those, the sign-in flow can stall. Once you reauthorize, open the app and attempt sign in so the system can negotiate scopes and permissions anew. Finish by ruling out remaining blockers. Check your Google account security alerts and revoke suspicious app access so legitimate sign-in requests succeed. If problems persist, test signing in on another device or network to determine whether the issue is account-wide or device-specific. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep system misconfigurations. If reset still fails, contact Google support with error codes. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.